Forgot your Apple ID password and can't sign into iCloud, App Store, or your iPhone? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and safest way to recover it. First, if you still have access to your iPhone, open Settings and tap your name at the top. Go to Password and Security. Then tap Change Password. Enter your iPhone passcode and set a new Apple ID password. That's the fastest method, and it works instantly. If you don't have access to your iPhone, open a browser and go to iforgot.apple.com. Enter your Apple ID email and follow the steps to verify your identity using your phone number or email. Once verified, you can create a new password and sign in again. You can also reset your Apple ID password using another trusted Apple device signed in with the same account. Just open Settings, tap your name, go to Password and Security, and change your password. One important thing to know: Apple never shows your old password for security reasons. You can only reset it. Avoid third-party apps or websites claiming they can find your password. They're unsafe and often scams. That's it. Simple, secure, and officially supported by Apple.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.